Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a black cat energy makeup look. So if you love a smoky eye, baddie vibes, and that mysterious, confident energy, keep on watching. I'm gonna start with some skin prep and I'm using this Anoa Milky Toner. It's very light but at the same time very hydrating. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands and tap it up on my face. Next, I'm going in with some moisturizer, and this is the Purito O Gel Moisturizer. Just a little bit. Now for the makeup, I'm gonna start with the eyes, and I'm taping them first to get that lifted shape. Next, with a black eye pencil, I'm gonna do a liner. This is the Essence Stay and Play Gel Liner in the shade Black Raven, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it anyway. See, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm starting to blend out the liner. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of cool tone brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna keep blending. It's supposed to look something like this. Now, moment of truth, let me take this out and see. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this, it looks really nice. We're gonna leave it like this for the moment and we're gonna move on into the base. Now for the base, we're gonna keep it very light because the main focus is definitely gonna be the eyes. Recently, I've been loving doing my cream bronzer and blush before concealer. I just feel like this way everything looks more blended with no harsh lines. So I'm gonna go straight in with my cream bronzer. This is the Essence Cream Bronzer in the shade Cinnamon Spice. And I like to warm it up on the back of my hand first. And then take it with a brush and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. And a little bit on the forehead. For the blush, I'm taking a little bit of this L'Oreal Lumin Glass and I'm mixing it with this red lipstick. Now I'm blending everything in with a brush and keeping it very light. And to clean all this up, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. And I'm applying it under my eyes, around my nose, and under my cheeks. Now with the concealer brush, I'm gonna blend out everything, and I like to blend my under eyes last so I can get more coverage there. And to set the face, I'm gonna take this She Glam powder. It has actually two, a pressed powder on top and a loose powder on the bottom. But to be honest with you guys, I don't really like the pressed one. I don't know why, I just don't like how it looks. But the loose powder is really nice. So I'm just gonna take some with a powder puff. Top off the excess, of course. And set. Going back into the eyes and I'm adding a winged eyeliner. This is the She Glam eyeliner. I added some inner corner liner as well, and now to get that bold look, I'm lining my waterline with the same black eye pencil that I used earlier. See how this just pulls the whole eye makeup together, like... With a small brush, I'm taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and I'm smoking out the liner. Then I'm adding mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Without Limits mascara. Also adding a tiny bit of blush just to bring everything back together. For the lips, I'm going in with like a 3-step liner in the shade Chocolate Lover, and I'm gonna overline with it. Oops. Blending out the edges. To finish the combo, I'm taking a red lipstick and I'm tapping it in the center of the lips. To finish up the look, I'm adding some beauty marks, and the little hack, if you don't have a freckle pen, you're gonna take a brown lipstick and the hairpin and do like this and draw your beauty marks. See? I really love adding beauty marks. I think they just make the makeup look so much better. And here is our finished Black Cat Energy makeup look. I think it looks really good, but let me know what you guys think. I really hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you. Bye.